Hi students, welcome back to my class. Last video we studied about land is fixed. We studied about the story of village Palampur, chapter 1st. Today's thought: there is no greater wealth in this world than peace of mind. Yes, let's begin our class. In this chapter I am going to explain today third point: will the land sustain? So land is a natural resource. Almost we know land is by God gift, it is a natural resource. But nowadays scientific reports indicate that modern farming method have overused the natural resource base. So nowadays we are using fertilizers, modern method. In that the scientists are telling what nowadays land is becoming a overusing. Green revolutions, losses of the soil fertility. After 1960s, we have know already green revolution is had. In that, what has happened when they use green revolution time? So they used over of the irrigation, then they use new fertilizer, HYB seeds. So in that, they are loss of the soil of the fertility. Next point, continuous use of the groundwater. Okay, almost when they using the farmers, they almost use of the water. So when they using groundwater for the tubular irrigation, so reduce the water table below the ground. Means they getting the low water. When they using groundwater, when they using continuous of the irrigation, so water will become less. Okay. Next, you open page number 5. There is given one suggested activity. You have to take newspaper or magazines. So you have to see and you have to report. What you have to write? You have to write letter to the agriculture minister in your words. What you write, how they are using chemical fertilizers can be harmful. How is harmful of the fertilizers, chemicals to the land. Okay, that you have to write to the agriculture ministers. That you have to write in your notebook. It is like assignment. Maybe it is internal marks will get. So please try to write in your notebook. And in this given another brown color, so I'm not explaining. You read that and you have to understand how it is affecting chemical fertilizers soil and how it is losing the fertility of the soil. That is given. So you have to write answer and read properly. And next fourth point I am explaining here. How is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur? In Palampur, how they are distributed the farmers. So not all the people engaged in agriculture. In this, who are living in the Palampur, all people are not engaged. Some are engaged, some are not. Some they are having landless people, some they have land people. Some are there in other activity, dairy farming, other like that. So here, 1/3 of people, 450 families are landless. So in this Palampur, 450 families are landless people we can see in this Palampur. And 150 families are having no land for the cultivation. Especially who those are Dalit family, they don't have any land. And here 150 families have no land for the cultivation. Dalit family they don't have already, I told now. Next 240 families cultivate less than 2 hectares. Who those are having in the Palampur family, 240 families are there in Palampur. That families they having less than 2 hectares. Okay, especially Dalit family they have only 2 hectares. Sorry, 2 hectare people, 2 hectares they having the cultivation land. 240 family. Again here 60 families of medium and large farmers. How much they have? More than 2 hectares. Those are 60 family. So they have 2 hectares land. And a few large farmers, how much they have? Some few farmers are there. They have over 10 hectares or more. So here, this is a very highest land they have. So minimum 10 hectares to more than 60. Okay, this. Next, in this second given, in this brown color, another story of the Gobin. He is on the farmer. He has 2.25 hectares of the family land. How he is working? He has 3 sons and he is working in the cultivated land. So but don't have any comfortable land because he is a very poor man. Then his family is feed it with the little bit getting extra income from the buffalo. He has one buffalo. By that he is getting little income from that, and by that their family is possessing. Some years after Govind's death, so Govind is death after some year, this land was divided among his 3 sons. He had 3 sons. After death of the Govind Singh, their children divided their hectares of the land. Each one has a plot of land that is only 75 hectares, 0.75 hectare in size. Actually, they have only 2.25 hectare. In that, they divided 3 sons. So, how much they got? They got 0.75 hectares by one person per person. Even with improved irrigation and modern farming method, Govind's sons are not able to make a living for their land. They have to took for additional work during the part of the year. So they are not able to get a good profit maybe because there is not good cultivated and not good proper facility for the farming. So that's the reason Govind's sons they are depending on their other part of the work, additional work part of the year. Okay. Next, in this down already I explained shortcut how much people are working. Next year again one more homework is there for you. Page number 7. Let's discuss. So you have to see picture 1.5. There is given one of the land like multiple crop. In this picture you have to see 1.5 picture. Can you shade the land cultivated by the small farmer? So in this you have to shade. What you have to shade? Which are the small farmers you have to shade. Then you know small farmers how much they have land. What is the difficult for that you have to shade. And why do many families of farmers cultivate such small plot of land? Some people they have good land, but still they are having some. They have small plot. Many families are cultivated such small plot. Third point: the distributions of farmers in India and the amount of land they cultivated is given in the following graph 1.1. There is one graph is there. So how much it is marginal and small farmers. Medium and large farmers are having more than 2 hectares they have here, 15% and 55.40, and less than 2 hectares, 40.60% in cultivatable area, and number of peoples 85%. So you have to see in this picture, page number 7. Again, one more again given. Let's discuss this all you have to try to answer on your notebook. If you're not understanding, no problem, but try to answer. Then when you're starting our classes, school, then again we'll go to that through the graph and questions. Again given one more here. Let's discuss here. Would you agree that the distribution of cultivated land is unequal in the Palampur? Do you find a similar situation of India? Explain. That you have to compare to Palampur to and Indian some other situation or any other region they have any same similar situation of the Palampur and India. That you have to explain. Okay, next point I am going to explain here. Fifth, who will provide the labor? Okay, first we studied about last video land. In this labor, after land, labor is one of the next necessary production of the factory or any factor of the production. Then farming requires a great deal of hard work. So almost when is going to farming, then you need compulsory good hard work. And small farmer cultivate their own field. Who those have a small farmer, they are having own family. With family they are cultivating their own land. Next point, medium and large farmers hiring farm laborers. Who is having some little good land or little farmer, they are what they are having? They are hiring the other laborers for the work their field. There means they are taking for other. Again here given, let's discuss. You have to see 1.6 figure, then picture. that you have to arrange their proper sequence, means which method is coming first, next what is coming. So you have to write step by step, that you have to write in our notebook same. Okay, next point. Farm laborers come some landless or some small plot of land. Okay, farmers laborers, you know, almost farm laborers, maybe either they are from landless family or some are maybe cultivated the small plot of land, means almost they have some people they have, but still they are working because they have little small maybe, or they don't have maybe, that's the reason they are working to other field. Next point. Instead they are paid wages. So when they are going to work, laborers almost, you know, they have to work, means what, after working they are getting money. So what they are getting here, some they are giving here some land, what here, by the farmer work, they whom they work, they have to get money. What they will get here, wages can be cash or crop. So when they are going to work, in the earlier people they are getting some are maybe giving cash or maybe giving like a crop, seeds, what they are working in that they are getting seeds. Next point, wages. Then in some wages they are very different of the widely from region to region, from crop to crop, from farm activity to another. Means when they are working, some peoples will get other region maybe high wages, but if you go into next region, maybe they will get less, depending on their region, depending on the crop, depending on that farm activity. Means different variety of the wages they will get different part of our country. Okay, next point. There is also wide variation in the duration of employment. So there is not only getting the salary, wages, paying, but here also given they have wide variation of the employment. Maybe they will get one day basis, one day work, maybe after no next day no work for that maybe, and one particular farm activity, means having only cultivations maybe, means only one day I am working. And for third point is there for the whole year, maybe some they will work for the fully whole year they will get work. So there is three type of this. Okay, this is I explained here. Third, will the land sustenance, in this how we have to save our land and how we will keep our our future. It is okay, without damaging our land, that we have to keep our next generation. It is called sustainable. So how we have to keep, by we are not using so fertilizers and not using so much groundwater. So you have to use very limit. Second point, what given, how is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur. There is given 450 families are landless and 150 families have no land. 240 families they having 2 hectares, less than 2 hectares. 60 families they having large and more than 2 hectares they having land. And so some few farmers they having how much 10 hectares or more than 10 hectares they having good land. It is about fourth point. Next, what I explained here, who will provide the labor, who is providing, maybe some their own farmer, their own family, in that only they are having, or some they will taking from other for the rent, and they will get wages by crop, maybe by cash they will get, and it is very different wages by one region to another, one crop to another, one activity to another activity. Okay, it is for next. There is variation of the employment is there. Maybe one day it is getting some laborers, then some laborers will get particular one activity, and some laborer will get a fully whole year work. It is a fully, it is given. I explained here 4.3, 4 and 5 points it is. Okay, next I am before one story is given here. Page number 8. There is about Dala and Ramkali. What they are discussing about very poor people are there. They are discussing if they are not getting a job, what will do. If they are bringing the harvest of the things for what threshing machines. So what is happening for us? That they are thinking that between the Dala and Ramkali. Next here given one of the story. Dala is landless farm laborer who works daily wages in Palampur. This means he must regularly look for the work. Means he is one day worker. Means one day is working means next day he has to ask to another. If you have work, please give me. He is asking to others. So it is a daily worker. He is a regular worker. How much he is getting money, wages? Only rupees 150 rupees for one day. And but actually it is commonly by government they have to give actually 115. But Dala is getting only 80 rupees. Why? Because there is heavy competitions. They will tell you. Actually 115 is there for the work of the farmers. Dala is asked for them of the farmer. Today I want to come your work. So you feel he told, okay, you come, but I'll give only 80 rupees. But he has to work. Why? Because first of all he don't have money and he not getting daily wage and work. In that, when he's telling 8 rupees that a farmer, then Dala will go to job because there is so many competitions, heavy competitions. If you not coming means, then I will take another. That's the reason he will tell like that. Then that's the reason he will take other. It is one story is given that you have to see in this book. Next year, given here again, let's discuss why are farm laborers like Dala and Ramkali is poor. Again, already I told explain here, but if you doubt, you have to see and you have to answer. That is, you have to write. It is homework. Before ending my class, I will give this homework only. This only homework I am giving. What homework it is? Why are farm laborer like Dala and Ramkali poor? That you have to answer in your notebook. It's compulsory. It is an answer. Next I will explain next chapter, next video, next point. Okay, any doubt, answers in comment on box. Thank you.